We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make our healthy wrap base recipe. Start with a 10 to 12-inch whole grain tortilla and cover it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of any spread of your choice. That could be mashed avocado, hummus, marinara sauce, a dressing, pesto, whatever you have on hand. Then top with 2 to 3 ounces of protein food. This can be chicken, shredded cheese, crumbled cheese, salmon, tofu, anything. Place it slightly above center. Then top with half to 1 cup of fresh fillings. Shredded carrots and diced bell pepper make a great topping. So do tomatoes, chopped leafy greens, baby spinach, again, whatever you have on hand in your pantry. Then fold in the ends or one end to cover up the fillings. Bring the bottom of the tortilla up over the fillings, gently pull back, then roll up like a burrito. Enjoy! Check out the recipe in this description. Be sure to like this video and follow us for more. And always remember, cook confidently, simplify nutrition, and feel better to your taste.